Student Tools is a collection of functions in WPS Presentation specially optimized for student user groups, which is not available in any other Office software on the market. Student Tools, on the far right of the toolbar, collects the features that students use most frequently to save their time to toggle back and forth between the tabs. There are 3 common views and 2 common masters collected from the View tab, which can meet the needs of most reading, reviewing, and presentation scenarios. According to students' habits, Student Tools also collect text box, picture, shape, and screenshot from the Insert tab for basic editing. Besides, equation and symbol features are included. Even when we need to input mathematical formulas or special symbols, we can do these in a single tab. In addition, the functions of New Comment, Annotate in PDF format, and video exporting are included. Considering the real using scenarios for students, WPS Presentation collects the most common tools in the Student Tools tab, which makes it more convenient and easy for them to learn and use.